What if I told you there's a simple way to get your leg strength back without going to the gym or taking pills? What if it's something you can do right at home with food you probably already have? A groundbreaking study from 2023 shocked doctors everywhere. Researchers found that people over 60 could start rebuilding their leg muscles in just 12 hours by eating one specific food at the right time. Yes, you heard that right. Just 12 hours, not weeks or months. When you eat this food in the evening, it triggers amazing changes in your body. It helps your muscles grow stronger and wakes up the signals between your brain and legs that might have gotten weaker over time. Your leg strength can start coming back faster than you ever imagined. You don't need expensive treatments, physical therapy, or special equipment. You just need to know how your body works and give it what it needs when it needs it most. Here's something most people don't know. Your muscles haven't actually disappeared. They're still there, but they've stopped getting clear messages from your brain. It's like having a phone with a weak signal. The phone works fine, but the connection is poor. But here's the exciting news. You can fix that connection. Your body is like an electrical system that just needs the right spark at the right moment to start working properly again. Why legs get weak? If you've been struggling with weak legs, trouble walking steadily, or losing your balance, you're definitely not alone. Every 3 seconds, someone over 65 ends up in the hospital because of a fall caused by weak muscles. And most of these falls happen because of weak legs, not weak arms or shoulders. The scary part is that most people don't notice the warning signs until it's almost too late. This condition has a medical name. It's called sarcopenia, which basically means losing muscle as you get older. But here's what many doctors don't tell you. This doesn't happen just because you're getting older. It happens because your muscles stop getting what they need to stay strong. After you turn 60, your body starts losing about 1 to 2% of muscle mass every year. By the time you're 70, you could have lost almost 40% of your leg strength. The dangerous thing is that it happens quietly. No pain, no swelling, no obvious signs. Then one day, you suddenly can't stand up from your chair without pushing yourself up with your hands. Or you miss a step and feel shaky for several minutes. That's when fear kicks in. You start moving less and sitting more, which makes your legs even weaker. It becomes a cycle that's hard to break. But why do legs get weak first? Because your leg muscles, especially in your thighs, calves, and hips, are what keep you standing, walking, climbing stairs, and balanced. When these muscles get weak, everyday activities become difficult and even dangerous. A small fall that seems harmless can lead to a broken hip, months in bed, and a chain of health problems that are hard to recover from. At that point, it's not just about inconvenience anymore. It becomes about survival, the real cause. The real problem isn't just weak bones. It's the connection between your brain and muscles that's breaking down. Your muscles aren't gone, they're just disconnected. Think of your muscle system like Christmas lights. If the wire gets cut, the lights go dark. But the bulbs aren't broken, you just need to reconnect the wire. Recent research shows that when older adults eat certain amino acids, especially leucine, in the evening, these are the body starts rebuilding those brain-to-muscle connections. Leucine works like a biological switch that tells your body to start building muscle protein again. When you're younger, your nervous system sends millions of signals every second. But after 60, these nerve signals weaken and sometimes don't work at all. Your leg muscles stop getting orders from your brain. But recent research shows these connections can be rebuilt, even in people over 70. The key is giving your body the right nutrition at the right time. This works best while you sleep. At night, your body's repair systems work hardest. If you give it the right protein before bed, it feeds your muscles all night long, and those brain-to-muscle connections can start working again. A real success story. Let me tell you about Helen, a 68-year-old woman who had always been active. She loved gardening and took morning walks, but her legs started getting weaker. She had trouble standing up from chairs and climbing stairs. Then she joined a research study where participants ate one leucine-rich food every evening at the same time. After just 3 nights, Helen said it was easier to get out of bed. After 1 week, her walking felt steadier. After 3 weeks, she was back to her morning walks without feeling wobbly. Researchers found significant improvements in muscle building and nerve-muscle communication, all from one small change to her evening meal. The answer. So what is this powerful food? Plain Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt contains leucine and a special slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles amino acids all night while you sleep. When you eat it before bed, you're activating a recovery system that most people over 60 have accidentally turned off. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained to remove extra water, making its protein content almost double. A 6-ounce serving gives you 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, including enough leucine to flip that biological switch for muscle building. Greek yogurt is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids gradually over 6 to 8 hours. When you eat it at night, casein works throughout the night to fuel muscle repair exactly when your body is designed to rebuild. It also contains calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, which are important for nerve-muscle communication. Plus, it has probiotics that support digestion and reduce inflammation. The scientific proof. In a 6-week University of Texas study, older adults ate 1 serving of plain Greek yogurt each night before bed. The results? 91% showed measurable improvement in leg strength without doing any additional exercise. Improvements included standing up from chairs more easily, climbing stairs with less effort, and better balance while walking. Many felt more stable after just a few nights. No gym required, no fancy equipment, just 1 serving of plain Greek yogurt eaten between 7 and 9 p.m. every night. How to do it right. Choose Greek yogurt that's unsweetened, free from artificial flavors, and full fat. You can add berries or walnuts, but avoid added sugar. Greek yogurt is easy to find, affordable, and if you make it part of your nightly routine, you could start noticing changes in just a few days. Your next step. Your leg strength hasn't disappeared. It's just been sleeping. After 60, you don't need complicated solutions. Regaining leg strength doesn't have to start in a gym. Sometimes it starts at the dinner table. Try this for 7 days. Have 1 serving of plain Greek yogurt every evening. Don't expect overnight miracles, but pay attention to small changes. More confidence in your steps. More strength when you stand. This isn't just advice. It's a profound reminder. Your strength was never truly gone. It's just been waiting for you to flip that switch. Thank you for staying with us until the very end of this video. We sincerely hope the insights we've shared today can play a small but incredibly meaningful role in your journey to better health and stronger legs. We'll see you in the next video where we'll continue exploring simple choices that truly have the power to transform your life.